Hi there, and welcome to Voxme. Today you'll learn how to use Sign and Send function in Voxme Inventory. When the time is right to show the job summary to the client, tap on Share icon of the Inventory Summary screen. Make sure the packing list is set to PDF, and tap on the packing list to let the customer view the inventory. Tap on Back, and then tap on Sign to collect client's signature. Tap on Sign and Send, and then tap on Sign under Foreman Driver to add your signature. Tap on Sign and Send. Now the inventory is fully signed for. Tap on the cloud icon to push the inventory to the MFC system. You will hear "Got it" when the entire inventory has been uploaded. If a client requires a copy of the inventory right away, tap on the packing list, tap on Share icon, and select a suitable sharing method. Great job! Don't forget to visit our YouTube channel for more tips and instructions.